Hi there, I'm Shanna Von K, and welcome to Seasons Cleanings, which is basically all things home. At least we start there and we end with cleaning. Today I have a video that is less than 2 minutes, and it's 3 tools that will help you detail clean your house, and you probably already have them in your home. First up, we have a toothbrush. Toothbrushes are great for getting into the areas that are too small for a big brush to get to. So they're great for any crevices and creases and cracks and spots like that. I love them. They are my go-to in my caddy. I always have them on hand. And usually what I typically do is after we have used our toothbrushes and they need to be either tossed out or cleaned, I usually toss them out because I throw them through the wash, and then they go into my tools for cleaning. The toothbrush is a great cleaning device, so do not overlook it. Next, we have a toothpick. So I use them to get into very tiny little corners, like corners of drawers. When you clean out your drawers, there's that little spot where you can't get them. It loosens things up, and so I love a toothpick. It's more of a loosen up. It doesn't really grab stuff, but I love having a toothpick on hand. And lastly, the third item is a cotton swab or Q-tip. A Q-tip is great because not only can it clean certain places, but it also removes. So it's really great at catching things in small spaces. So there's 3 tools that you probably already have in your house, and if you don't, they're really inexpensive and easy to have on hand. And with that said, I will also say that the best thing to do is if you are in a cleaning business and you clean houses, or you're gonna go clean someone's house for a friend or a family member, the best way to keep them is I keep them in a little plastic bag in my caddy, and then that way I have them, they stay protected in the bag, and I use them when I need them. And trust me, in a lot of houses I do need them, especially when it's a month of like light switches or something like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps. I hope it makes you think, oh my gosh, I know what to grab for next time. And subscribe if we vibed, and like if you learned down there. Thank you so much for watching.